Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's time for my 11-week Binance copy trading update. I'm still running this challenge with a total investment of $6,000 just like before. But here's the good news. My current balance has jumped to over $7,500. That's a profit of more than $1,500 in just 11 weeks. And the best part, I didn't place a single trade myself. Let's break down how that happened. I'm still copying 5 traders. Out of them, one trader is absolutely on fire. This guy alone made me over $2,000 in profit. You can see the realized PNL is $1,179 and $1,052 as unrealized PNL the moment I'm creating this video. Two other traders are doing okay. They are in profit, not huge gain, but is still positive. Though it's not all sunshine, the remaining two traders are dragging things down a bit. One is sitting at a loss of over $350 and the other is down by around $50. These traders. Should I drop them? I'm not thinking about it. I want to letting things play out a little longer because there are not many good traders that are available. So the important takeaway is this: even with two traders in the red, my overall portfolio is strongly profitable. That's the power of diversification, even in copy trading. If you're enjoying these updates and want to see where this goes, don't forget to subscribe and follow the journey. Also, let me know in the comments if you want me to try out any new traders. I'm always open to testing them out for you. That's it for this week. See you in the next update.